How to disable or enable the autoplay on Reddit app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable or enable on Reddit app autoplay. So the first thing we do is we go to Reddit, and now you will find this page, the home page, and now click on the avatar in the top corner and click on settings down, and now you go to autoplay. You click on autoplay and you change it as always or when Wi-Fi or never. I will let it always, and you can choose what you want. And that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.